In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request files from external users using a shared drive folder setup in Google Drive. Google Drive doesn't include a formal file request feature like some other platforms, but you can still collect files from people outside your organization using a simple sharing setup. The idea is to give a trusted external contact permission to place files directly into a folder you control, either in My Drive, or even better, in a shared drive, so the files stay with your team. Start by opening Google Drive and choosing the folder, or a folder inside a shared drive, where you want files to land. Right-click that folder and select Share. In the sharing window, type the external person's email address and double-check it's correct. If your organization allows external sharing, you'll be able to proceed. From there, choose the level of access that lets them upload. For a regular My Drive folder, assign editor access so they can add and modify files in that folder. For a shared drive, choose the contributor role. Contributor is designed for upload scenarios. It lets people add and edit content without giving them broad management power over the structure of the drive. That balance helps you collect what you need while reducing the risk of someone moving or deleting items you care about. Before you send the invitation, include a short message with clear instructions, such as where to drop files and any naming format you prefer. When the invite goes out, the external user will receive an email link. They'll open the folder, sign in, and drag and drop their files right into it. In a shared drive, anything they add is owned by the drive itself, which means the content stays with your team even if the external person loses access later. There are a few important limitations to understand. This approach is not upload only in the strict sense. The person you invite will see the folder's contents and, based on the access you grant, may be able to edit items in that folder. If confidentiality matters, use a dedicated folder just for that external contact and keep only the items you want them to see in that location while you're collecting files. When you're done, you can return to the same sharing panel to remove their access. It's also a good idea to communicate a deadline, ask for a specific file naming convention, and keep an eye on your drive notifications so you'll know when uploads arrive. With those practices, this native sharing method becomes a reliable way to receive files from outside your organization using a shared drive or folder.